Introducing the bare tool Makita BTW450Z, an outstanding high-torque impact wrench that you can add in your collection of power tools. Equipped with the latest power driller and long-lasting batteries, this tool has the capacity to woo you. This tool comes with Makita branded motor that has the capacity to deliver a maximum torque of 325 foot-pounds, and reaches a maximum rotation rate of 1,600 revolutions per minute for a wide range of fastening tasks, including removing transmission bolts and lug nuts. The tool weighs just 7.5 pounds and 10.5 inches long with an ergonomic shape that fits like a glove for reduced operator fatigue. It also comes with built-in LED light that makes work easier. You can easily focus your target and enjoy precision in working. Now take a look at the specifications of this tool. This impact wrench comes with enough features to be applied in various fields of activities. It is ideal for steel contractors, commercial contractors, automotive line assembly, automobile mechanics, residential contractors, HVAC contractors, and any pro tradesman requiring a best-in-class engineered impact wrench. What are customers saying about this tool? Check out the customer reviews now at cordlessimpactwrenchreview.net.